Good day, everyone. My name is Maria Kądzielska, and you are watching Poland Daily Culture from the kitchen. Today, for the very first time, we're doing a cooking show, and with me is Maria Jordan, a vegan chef. Marysiu, any relations to Michael Jordan?
I wish. No, except for the surname, not really.
Well, but at least he does something very different, and you cook. And you cook not normally, but you cook vegan. And tell me, please, vegan means only
Plant-based. We are based on plants, so on the fresh produce, on whole food. That's my focus. Like I would like to focus on healthy food. You avoid all animals product, which is actually quite trendy at the moment.
so no milk, no eggs,
No dairy, lactose free.
I would say, what are we actually able to eat?
Pretty much everything, like all the goods from the nature. So fruits, vegetables, lentils, legumes, nuts, seeds, everything that is really good for you.
Really good for us. Well, we hope. I'm very interested. But please tell me at first, how did it start and how did it happen that you became a vegan chef?
Well, it's quite funny. Actually, I was studying in Denmark, like back in the days, and I was quite poor as a student. So I was eating a lot of food. And then it started like I was getting sick actually. Like my stomach would bloat, my skin would be devastated, like terrible. And you can see, it's all natural good. So I went to the doctor and she was like, well, you are quite intolerant to basically everything what I was eating back then. So like to meat, I wouldn't digest it properly, gluten. Actually, she cut me off also from white refined sugar and all those regular, food that people eat.
So the doctor said, you cannot eat it because of your
health issues.
and
Health state was, like my body was rejecting it.
Wow.
So because of all the modification. So I at first I became kind of vegetarian because I would still eat cheese and dairy. But slowly, like I remember it was 2014, like I learned more and you educate yourself and you actually realize, wow, it's quite, I feel quite amazing when I cut off all these animal produce. At first I was actually, raw vegan, that you eat only not cooked food, like below 42 Celsius degrees, because you get more.
Sounds crazy.
Yes, I know. But I remember I had my dear friend. We both started as a raw fruitarianism. So we would eat. It's called raw to 4, and until 4 o'clock you eat actually vegetables and fruits. It's really crazy. Like I would go back home with 50 bananas in my basket on the bicycle. It's back in Denmark, and well, Denmark is not the best place for tropical fruits. So quite quickly we jumped to more filling food, more like warm soups or whole food dishes. Well, yeah.
Okay, so let's start with a little bit of cooking. And our first dish is what?
Well, actually, I would like to introduce you to my daily meals. So I start my day with green smoothie. And like the greens are essential for us. Like the chlorophyll is crucial when it comes to the oxygen in blood that is providing better, and it's amazing what it does to us. So like every day in the morning I start with a smoothie that is based either on kale or spinach. So like on deep green leaves. And then I add
deep green leaves.
Like this one.
Or kale.
Yes, so
let's start then.
Okay.
We have to do something with the oranges.
Yes, definitely. I'm gonna peel them. Yes. Let me check. Or we can move it over here. Yeah. So actually,
you're peeling the The oranges.
Yes, we're not gonna blend them with the peel. So,
Could we do anything with the peel as well?
well,
Probably
actually,
yes, but not
yes, you could dry the peel, and first you could zest it. Like I could zest the peel and have it the zest of the orange. It's amazing what it actually.
So we start with a smoothie. So everyone who would like to start their day
Yes.
in a healthy way and has a blender or a mixer at home can do something, can do a smoothie.
Yeah.
And here today we give you a first example of one of them, I would say.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites actually. Like it's very basic. Orange, apple, some frozen mango, definitely ginger. If you have also turmeric in the root, it's amazing. I just grounded flax seeds. They are like super rich in fatty acids. Oh
I would
my
say
god!
I love to those seeds. I actually love to drink them just as they are with hot water.
Right.
They are very rich in all vitamins.
Super
I would
rich,
say.
yes, in fatty acids, in omega-3. They are like essential food for us.
Okay.
So instead of taking pills, I just eat good food. And whoop.
Well, you're cooking so. I mean, you're cutting so quickly and amazingly. I would have the orange already all over myself.
No, you wouldn't. Come on. Okay. So I think we can begin with the spinach. It's like a cup.
Yes.
Whoops. Right. Then we can have some apple. It's like one apple cored, not peeled, because the peel is super good for us. Squeeze in everything, I hope.
Actually, smoothies are the only thing which I can stand the kale in. The kale itself, it's
Yes,
awful.
it's-
But in the smoothie, it tastes okay.
Whoa,
Or
okay.
just, you have to mix it, or have to, yeah, somehow change it.
Well-
Otherwise, I can't imagine people eat kale in a hamburger or in a sandwich without. Just it's so gross.
Well, try kale chips. It's also like a way to.
I've never tried kale chips, but maybe it's a way to.
Okay, to introduce them to your life. Okay,
would say.
I would like to show you a trick.
But the ginger trick we will do in the next episode. I do hope you enjoyed this preparation for vegan cooking here with us in Poland Daily Culture with Marysia Jordan. Thank you very much for watching us today and stay with us for the whole series.